A cathedral window spider starts like a regular spider, the top half, and it's the bottom half where we change things a little bit. So I have a 6-legged spider here, so I'm going to twist all of my legs. Twist, 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 and twist. And then remember, for spiders, you're working the legs across and pinning to start the top of the spider. So it's cross, twist, cross, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 over 3, 2 and 4 over 1 and 3, 2 over 3. And I do that all the way across for each of the legs. And now I'm in the middle, and I'm going to pin up. You can see where the middle is here, because these pairs are on this side and these pairs are on this side. So I'm going to pin up and then tension my threads. And now with a regular spider, I would be working these pairs back across and these pairs back across, but that's not what we do here. We start in the middle, and instead of working the pairs that are in the middle back across, we work them out. So I'm going to work the middle pair out, 2 over 3, 2 and 4 over 1 and 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 3, 2 and 4 over 1 and 3, 2 over 3. This pair is done, and I twist it so I remember. And then I go back to the middle, find the middle pair, and work it out, 2 over 3, 2 and 4 over 1 and 3, 2 over 3. That pair is done. We don't work it through that last pair. And now this pair is also done because there's nothing left for it to work through. So it's ready. And I can do the same on this side right away, or I can come here to complete this edge, and that's what I'm going to do this time. So I'm going to twist, because I'm working to this pin now, and I bring this leg up to it, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross. This pair will get a twist as well. And now I'm going to go on this side, and again, you start in the middle and you work that pair back out. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. It's as far as it can go. Twist. And we go back to the middle, cross, twist, cross, twist, because we don't work it any farther than that. Twist. And now I can work this row down, the edge of the spider. Twist, cross, twist, cross, pin and tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, pin, tension, cross, twist, cross. And now when you take this out, you have a little cathedral.